Are you ever jealous of those guys on Twitter, on YouTube who say, hey, I'm making 2K a month with crypto trading? I see them all over Twitter, all over YouTube, and I know I get a lot of FOMO. Anytime I see people that are making money in a way that I'm not making money, I get a little bit of FOMO, and I want to jump into this. Trading could be your next income stream. Again, the goal of my YouTube channel is to help everyday people achieve financial freedom, and I think trading could be a great thing to put in your tool belt, an additional income stream. And I love trading because anyone can do it. You can do it from home. You can do it from your computer. You don't need to go into a 9-to-5 job. You keep control of your funds. You know, in crypto, there's all sorts of rug pulls when you're sending your funds to others. But with trading, you keep control of your funds. So it's a lot safer. And then I also love trading because it's really not that risky if, and emphasize this if you have a system in place. So, and leave a comment. Have you ever tried trading? Crypto trading, Forex trading? What's been your experience? What's holding you back from doing it yourself? This is my friend Mike. He's in Dallas, but he saw people being successful with trading and he thought, you know what? I want to do this too. So he started trading about 7 years ago or so. And as most people find out when they get started in something like this, it's not as easy as it looks. You have to kind of know what you're doing. Another thing is the gurus, the influencers, they only post their wins. They don't post their losses. So it looks like, oh man, everybody's making so much money trading this, trading that. But in reality, a lot of people are losing their money trading because they don't know what they're doing. They don't have a system in place. So Mike discovered this, and then he spent the next few years losing money, paying all sorts of money to different gurus to try and learn so that he could be a successful trader. And eventually, after 7 years of trial and error, he has it figured out. He has a system in place that's consistently profitable. And then now, as all real entrepreneurs do, he wants to teach it to other people. So, and he's helped a lot of people with this already. Eric Robinson is part of his community, went through Mike's program, and then, 3%, 2.86% in a day. Joey, actually, in his first 24 hours, he made 52%. Okay, this is not typical. Don't jump in thinking you're going to make 52% in your first day, but it does happen. Joey was able to do that. He started with a demo account for a few weeks to kind of make sure he knew Mike's program and how it was working. Then the first day he went live, 52% return, 5K he made in that first day. Stuart was able to double his 10K account in a few weeks. Matthew's been able to make about 2.5% each week that he's been in the program. And these are all people who started with no knowledge of trading. So they went into Mike's program just saying, hey, I know nothing about trading. Teach me what you can. And people are seeing some great results. So Mike and I have put together a free PDF for you, 7 steps to turn $100 into $1,000, the guide to successful trading. This basically walks through, Mike's put together a 7-step checklist of what to do before you start making your trades. So this is a completely free PDF. Link will be down below if you want to grab that. If you would like to jump right into Mike's program, it is $48. And Mike is a good guy. If you get in there and you're like, hey, this is not what I was looking for, he's real good about refunds, giving you your money back. I'll also leave a link to my full interview that I did with Mike. It's about an hour long, but if you really want more info, leave a link to that. I think trading can be a great tool to add to your passive income tool belt. I want to encourage you, if you're looking for financial freedom, don't just talk. Proverbs 14:23 from the Bible says, hard work brings profit. Mere talk leads only to poverty. So if you find yourself talking about financial freedom a lot, but not doing anything, take a step. At least download the free PDF. Take a step towards your financial freedom today. So hope this is helpful for you. Appreciate all you guys. Have a great rest of your day, and we will talk to you later.